Hey guys, I'm Forrest Smith with RoofGooseVent.
I'm Peter Medeiros from Precision Air Testing and Balancing.
On my right, we have our manufactured solution to a roof termination, and on my left, we have an example of a field fabricated termination.
So today we'll be demonstrating the difference in static pressure, CFM, and the flow hood readings based off the termination that is installed, and we'll also be using the short range multimeter and the Evergreen system as well.
In this video, we'll be testing a Delta Breeze 150 exhaust fan.
In this step, we'll demonstrate how the typical air balancer measures the bathroom exhaust fan with the airflow capture hood. Give that a second to register and read. Doing about 129, 130 CFM, which is pretty standard for an exhaust fan in this area.
After this, we're going to get our baseline static for the duct run that we have installed and see how it gets affected when we add different terminations, whether it be a RoofGoose manufactured solution or a field fabricated solution that's very common in industry.
Okay, so from here we're going to establish a baseline static pressure for this particular system. We insert our static probe, take a quick differential.
Now that we've established our baseline system static pressure, we're going to move on to adding some traditional field fabricated terminations. This one is a 6-inch 90 with a sidewall vent connected to the end of it. And now Pete's going to take an updated system static pressure now that we've added the termination.
So with our established original static, we'll now take a new static with the termination on. So 0.27. It was 0.19, so we had quite a bit of an increase.
Now we're going to change out the field fabricated termination for a slightly different traditionally field fabricated termination. This is two 6-inch elbows, a bug cap, and a butterfly damper.
With the double 90 connection, we'll now take a new static pressure. And we have 0.26, 0.27.
Now that we've tested some traditional field fabricated solutions, we're going to move on to our manufactured solution, the RG6IE. Now that we've changed out the termination to our RG6IE, we're going to check in with Pete and see what our system static pressure is now.
So we took a static pressure without the RG, and we'll take a new static with it on. I always like to take two readings because the first one could have been off a little. So we're at 0.25.
After testing some traditional field fabricated terminations to our manufactured solution RoofGooseVent, we found that the RoofGooseVent is superior in performance and durability. I'm going to pass it along to Pete to share some of his experience of what he learned today and what he observed for performance.
Hey guys, so earlier we showed you with the flow hood, the CFM and the performance of the fan. Then we took some downstream static pressures to show you the performance of that same fan with the different end terminations. So with all the testing we did today, what I observed is that the RoofGooseVent outperformed by at least 20% or greater all other field fabricated solutions. Gotta say guys, this is a really good product.
Thank you for watching our performance testing video today of the SMT 150. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our website, RoofGooseVent.com. And if our website can't answer a question for you, feel free to reach out to us directly at sales@RoofGooseVent.com.